Hi everyone and welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. It's Andy here, and in today's video I'm going to show you and teach you how to make these super gorgeous heart-shaped coasters. These are really great for Valentine days, but in general any part of the year you can use them. It is absolutely beginner friendly as well. It has a couple of stitches that kind of could be more complicated. However, if you follow the step-by-step tutorial, you can get along really easy. So if you're ready, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and let's get started. For the heart coasters, we will need to have the following materials. I'm using two size 2 cotton yarns, the same like amigurumi, but we need 2 of them. We need to have a size 5mm crochet hook. We also need to have a size 2.5mm crochet hook, a yarn needle, and a scissor. To start, we will need to have both of the 2 yarns. I'm going to add them together, and we are going to make a slip knot. We're going to grab the crochet hook size 5mm and going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we are going to join with the first chain. Grab the yarn and make a slip stitch, just like this. And then chain 2, 1 and 2. Now we will need to make 12 double crochet into the center here, the center of this round. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 12. Now that we did 12, we are going to join with our first stitch that we made, which is going to be this one. We're going to make a slip stitch. So our first round is completed. Now we're going to need to chain 2 and going to make 24 double crochet around every stitch. We're going to make 2 times double crochet. We're going to start with the same stitch where we started. So 1, 2, next stitch 1, 2, next stitch again 2, and we are going to do 2 double crochets just like this till the end of the row. 23, and this is going to be the last one, which is the 24th stitch. All right, and now we will need to join it with our first stitch, which was this one. slip stitch. Our second round is completed. And now in the fourth stitch, 1, 2, 3 and 4, this one we're going to make double triple crochet, which it looks like this: 1, 2, 3 times yarn over, insert it in the fourth stitch, pull over, yarn over, pull over in 2 loops, yarn over, pull over in the next 2 loops, yarn over and pull over in the next 2 loops, then yarn over and pull over in the last 2. We need in total 8 of this one, so do double triple crochets, another 7 of this. So 1, 2, 3 times yarn over, insert, pull over in 2, then pull over in 2, then pull over in 2, and then yarn over and pull over in these ones. Great. So another 6 to go until we completed 8 of these double triple crochet in the same stitch. Okay, now that we're finished with our double triple crochets, now that we finished our 8 double triple crochets, we need to do 2 times treble crochet in the next chain. So 1, twice we have to yarn over this time, and same stitch, yarn over, pull over in 2, yarn over, pull over in 2, and yarn over, pull over in the last 2. Again, another treble crochet, so yarn over twice, same stitch, and then yarn over, pull over in 2, yarn over, pull over in 2, and yarn over, pull over in 2. Okay, so you might actually need to move a little bit your yarn. However, we need to work into this next chain a treble crochet. So yarn over twice, insert, yarn over, pull over in 2, yarn over, pull over in 2, and yarn over and pull over in 2. Again, the next stitch, again another treble crochet, so yarn over twice, insert in the next chain, yarn over, pull over in 2, yarn over, pull over in 2, yarn over and pull over in 2. The next chain we will need to do a double crochet, so yarn over once, insert it in the chain, yarn over, pull over in 2, yarn over, pull over in the last one. Next chain, half double crochet, so yarn over, insert it in the hook, and then pull over in all the 3. Next 3 chains we're gonna do single crochets, so insert, pull over, yarn over, pull over in both. Second one and the third one. Now we arrive to the bottom of the heart. Here we will yarn over and make a half double crochet first. So yarn over, insert, yarn over and pull over in all the 3, just like this. Then same stitch, we will do a double crochet, so yarn over, pull over and yarn over, pull over in 2, yarn over, pull over in the last 2, then chain 1. Same stitch, 1 more double crochet, insert it in the chain, pull over in 2, yarn over, pull over in 2. Same chain still, and we will do a half double crochet, just like this. So this is the bottom of our heart, and the next 3 chains we will do single crochets. So 1 single crochet, second single crochet, and the third one, Next stitch we will do a half double crochet, so yarn over, insert it in the chain, yarn over and pull over in all the 3. Next chain, double crochet, so yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull over in 2, and yarn over and pull over in the last 2. Now the next chain we will do a treble crochet, so yarn over twice, insert, yarn over, pull over in 2, yarn over, pull over in 2 loops, yarn over and pull over in 2 loops. Next chain, 1 more treble crochet, so yarn over twice, insert, yarn over, pull over in 2, yarn over, pull over in 2, yarn over and pull over in 2. Next chain we will need to do a treble crochet twice, so you yarn over twice and yarn over, pull over in 2, yarn over, pull over in 2, yarn over, pull over in 2. 1 more time, so double times, do 2 times yarn over, same loop, yarn over, pull over in 2, pull over in 2 and pull over in 2. Now we will need to do the same repeat of the 8 times double treble crochets into the same loop. So 1, 2, 3 times yarn over, same loop, and then yarn over, pull over in 2, 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 and this one we will repeat all together 8 times. So this was our first one, and we will need another 7 of this one into the same stitch. Now that we completed the 8 double treble crochets, we will come here in the same stitch here, you see where we actually started, insert our needle, pull out and do a slip stitch. Here the magic starts and here we will divide our 2 yarns. So here we've got one of the yarn, but still just leave some yarn so we can stitch them away. And here we will also change the needle to the 2.5 millimeter. We will look which one is the one that we just cut. I'm pulling on the wrong one, so this is the other one. I can actually remove that one. Insert the crochet hook, and now chain 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4, and then skip the first chain, and in the second chain insert and slip stitch, chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, skip 1 stitch, second one, slip stitch, again 4 times, 2, 3, 4, skip 1 stitch, second one, and slip stitch, again 1, 2, 3, 4, skip 1 stitch, second one, slip stitch, and carry on like this till the end of the heart, till we meet here. And then the final one, this one in here in the center, we attach and slip stitch. Okay, and then we have now our final round when we will do 5 times double crochet into every chain that we just created. So yarn over, insert, pull over into, yarn over, pull over in the second 2. So 1 time, pull over, so twice, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull over in 2, and yarn over, pull over in 2. So this was 3, 4, and 5. Then have a look exactly where we attached these chains, these long 4 chains inside. We're gonna insert the same point, grab the yarn over and slip stitch. And again, now next chain 5 times double crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And have a look again, the same point where we did the attachment. We put the hook in and then slip stitch. And carry on like this every chain. We're gonna do the 5 times double crochet, and I'll see you here by the end of the round. Almost ready. One more double crochet to this stitch, and then finally we can close it. So I'm going to insert here the same place where we had our our first stitch. Going to do a slip stitch, leave some tail, cut the yarn. I'm going to chain 1 and pull out the whole yarn. Tie it there, okay? And then now the question is, many times it comes that this chain becomes bigger when you're doing your work. So I'm going to show you a way how to actually make it smaller. We're going to grab the yarn needle, and then first I want to actually kind of tie it. So pull it in the back, put it across, and we want to minimize the appearance of this large stitch. I'm going to arrive there and have a look here. I just getting the chain and also going under between the stitches, pull it over and make it smaller. You can make another stitch or 2. Important, it shouldn't be visible. You see, like this, we made it very nice and small, this stitch. And now we can just make a couple of stitches and we can cut the yarn. Don't forget that you have to do the same with all these excess yarns as well. So our cute little heart-shaped coaster is ready. I think it was a really easy process to make. However, it makes a really great element for your dining table. You can use it for Valentine's days, but you can use any other time as well. It looks really, really beautiful. So I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for future contents as well. And I'll see you very soon. Take care and bye.